What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave, and I'm out back at Signature Glass Tinting looking at this brand new 2019 Porsche GT3. Got a helicopter flying over pretty low. I think you guys can hear me now. Again, this is the 2019 Porsche GT3. The customer chose the Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield and the IRX 50 for the sides and the back. Every piece of film was digitally cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved, lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and of course everything we do comes with the Signature Glass Tinting, no charge, no fault guarantee. On this car, it covers all the side windows. If they're ever scratched, broken, vandalized, whatever happens, we'll replace them for free. I'm gonna go in here and open up the door, and I'll show you how we handle these open frame windows. As you can see, there's no light gap. It fits really nice. We use the Tint Tech 2020 cutting system, and then of course we file and shave the edges. Front windshield, Lumar Air 80. Great seats in this car. The GT3s are awesome. Gotta love them. So again, 2019 Porsche GT3, Lumar IRX 50% for the sides and the back window, Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield, Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Look us up on the web, find us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or give us a call the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468.